Yes, Tuesday everyone! Hi guys! This is Mima and welcome to my vlog. So, syempre, gusto ko lang i-congratulate yung isa nating business partner / at the same time, service provider po ni AYS Instant Services. So, kung titignan ninyo, papakita ko po yung kanyang dashboard sa AYS. So, si Ma'am Rowena Caraig, meron po nagkaroon siya ng 3 bookings and then kumita siya ng 692 pesos. Ayan. So, imaginein po ninyo, 10% pa po yun. So, iba pa po yung income niya as service provider which is up to 80%. So, nakakatuwa, no? Nagkakaroon ka na nga ng dagdag client dito sa ating application mismo or sa platform natin. Meron pa siyang 10% additional and sustainable income here in Appier Servicio. So, congrats, Ma'am Rowena! And see you again sa inyong next booking here in